Hey guys, this is Nate with BleepinJeep. Today we're going to use the most popular SWR meter on Amazon to tune the antenna of my buddy's CB. So basically, to understand this without becoming a communications expert, I printed the Fire Stick instructions, and I think the first couple sentences are really important to understanding exactly what we're doing. This says here, SWR, or standing wave radio, is a measurement of how efficiently your antenna system will radiate the power available from your radio. In simple terms, your radio would like to radiate all of its power, but can only do so if the other components cooperate. Setting your antenna's SWR will reduce the restriction of the radiated power. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to get the number, without getting, you can really get into the weeds with this when you start to look up all the different small, minute details of setting up a communication system. But if you just want to do the basics, you want to basically set this meter. Let's see if we can see this here. There we go. I'm going to click on this to focus. We're going to try and get this to where this little dial is going to be at 2 or under. And this is, like it was saying in those instructions, basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to get it to where, this is a measurement of the amount of resistance. So the lower we get this, the more energy from the CB will be able to broadcast and receive. And so that's our basic goal today. And if you get this to where this meter's up in the red, you can actually damage the CB over time because it's getting like some sort of a, I guess like a reverb. And what that's doing is it's going to slowly heat up the components and stuff in the CB. It's bad for it. So tuning your antenna is really important. I like to use the Fire Stick because the Fire Stick is tunable, and I'll show you exactly what all that means here in just a minute. So here's the SWR meter that we got off of Amazon. This with the jumper is $20 if I remember correctly. This is a really common style, but this one in particular, the back of it says ANT and trans. ANT you hook to your antenna, trans you hook to the CB. It comes with this little jumper. The jumper goes up to the antenna input on the CB unit itself, and that's going to get connected to where it says trans. And then antenna, of course, is going to go to your antenna lead. So I'm going to hand you over to my friend Kelly from Muddy Beards, and he's going to help film this while we hook everything up. So ANT, antenna. It's all janked up. And this goes to your CB. So now we're going to go ahead and adjust everything. The way to do this, some people will go to channel 20 because it's kind of right in the middle of the whole range and start there. We're just going to go 1, 20, 40. So right now we're at channel 1. We're going to flip the switch up to forward. You're going to hold the receiver down, and then you're going to see this go up to set. And so you adjust this with this knob to where it sets, boom, right there, dead nuts in the center of it. And then you go to REF. So as you can see, we're in the red. This needs to be adjusted. Let me go up to channel 20 and channel 40 and let's see where they're at, and then we'll start adjusting the antenna. There's channel 20. So again, we need to reset, go up to forward. There we go, we're set. Flip the switch. This is slightly lower, but it's still in the red, so this is not going to work. Now let's go up to channel 40. Get it to where it's centered on set again, and flip. Now we're good here. So what we're going to do is we're going to lengthen our antenna using the screw, and we'll go back down to channel 1. And we'll incrementally, Kelly's going to go ahead and start lengthening that. You want to go ahead, Kelly?
Yep, I'm doing it now.
So we're going to go forward, go to set.
Okay, good to go.
Let me go to set. All right, so we went to set. We're going to go REF. All right, Kelly, go ahead and lengthen it.
Lengthen it more?
Yeah. Are your fingers on it right now?
They are not now.
Okay, because when they're on it, it'll change. So now we're below 3. So I'm going to I'll go off the receiver again. We're going to have Kelly lengthen it. Go ahead, Kelly. Damn it. So now we're under 2. I would say lengthen it just a hair more.
Okay. Oh, good.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful. We're at like 1.5. So now let's go up to channel 20. And we're going to go to forward again. We're going to hit the receiver, adjust it down to set, and reference. 1.5. Beautiful. Now let's go to channel 40. Go to forward, adjust it down to set. Now we're at 2. So I think that's going to be just about right. Now we're going to double check. We're going to go back down to 20. Forward. Set. Reference. Oh, that's good. 1.25. That's very nice. Now let's go down to 1. Forward. Reference. And we're just under 2. So this is perfect. I'd say we tighten up there's a special nut that's on the bottom side that locks it in. And so we're going to tighten up that lock nut and we're going to be all done. Well, that's how you set it up with this SWR meter. What I would recommend doing is printing out the instructions on the Fire Stick website, and it'll kind of help you troubleshoot any kind of weird things you might encounter whenever you're doing something like this. Anyway, I hope that you learned something. You kind of got an idea on how to do this. If you want to see more videos like this, please support us on Patreon, social media, give us a like, and thanks for watching.